In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Hostinger domain to your Netlify site. First, sign into your Netlify account and open your site settings. Head to the domain management section. This is where you connect a custom domain so visitors can reach your site at your own URL instead of the default Netlify address. Click Add a Domain, then choose Add a Domain you already own. In the field that appears, enter your domain exactly as it's registered with your provider. No extra spaces, and be mindful of whether you're adding the root domain like example.com or a subdomain like www.example.com. Confirm to add it to your Netlify site. Netlify will display the DNS records you need to create on your domain host. Now switch over to Hostinger, log in to hPanel and open domains, then select Manage for your domain. Go to DNS or Name Servers for that domain. You want the DNS zone editor where you can add or edit a CNAME and related records. If your domain's DNS is managed at Hostinger, you'll see editable records here. If you don't see DNS controls, it usually means your domain's name servers point somewhere else, and DNS changes would need to be made wherever your DNS is hosted. Add the records Netlify asks for. For the root or apex domain, Netlify recommends using an alias, ANAME, or flattened CNAME pointing to apexloadbalancer.netlify.com. If your DNS editor doesn't support alias or ANAME, use an A record instead and set the value to 75.2.6.5. This connects your root domain directly to Netlify's infrastructure. For www or any other subdomain, create a CNAME record exactly as shown on Netlify's setup screen. Be sure the host or name field is correct, typically www for that subdomain, and paste the target value provided by Netlify. Double check there are no typos and that you're not leaving conflicting old records in place. Save your DNS changes in Hostinger. Most panels apply updates immediately, but propagation can take a bit. Go back to Netlify's domain management page and give it some time to verify the records. Netlify will automatically provision SSL once DNS is detected, so you'll see status messages for verification and certificate setup. This can be quick, but depending on DNS caches, it might take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. When Netlify shows your domain as verified and protected with HTTPS, open a browser and test your site at your domain. Try both the root and the www address to confirm everything resolves correctly. If you don't see the update right away, refresh, clear your cache, or try an incognito window. That's it. Your Hostinger domain is now connected to your Netlify site.